Welcome WABAM U. Today we're going to talk about our WABAM Slash wheel and tire cleaner. So you're going to want to get down in here and you're going to want to spray it on your tire and your wheel liberally. Cover everything. Now we're going to let that sit 20, 30, 40 seconds, depends on temperature, inside, outside in the sun. We're in the shop here, so it really doesn't matter much. I just don't want to let it dry on there. You can use this on trailer vehicle, UTV tires and wheels, just all around great wheel and tire cleaner. This was taken through a little bit of rain. Nothing crazy, not a lot of brake dust. We keep our stuff pretty clean. So if you go through, a lot of rain, got a lot of road grime on it, a lot of brake dust, then we would recommend agitate the tire and wheel. But in our case, we spray it on, let it sit, and we rinse it off. Now our WABAM Slash wheel and tire cleaner, we do not recommend on a raw polished aluminum. So any chrome wheels, coated, painted, powder coated, anything's fine. We just caution you with any polished raw aluminum.